Friends, I have the biggest update for you and I am so excited. We are launching our very own private, yes, it's paid, private community for aspiring Squarespace designers or small and mighty agencies who want to get into this. Now, I have a sales page that walks through everything, but I just want to give you the gist of why we did this and why I think this is so valuable for you. Number one, if you are trying to become a designer or you are a designer and you're not really landing projects, or you're just, let's just say this as honestly as possible, you're lacking a bit of confidence, which is okay. That's very, very normal. You're working with clients, but you don't know how to do it. You don't have a process dialed. You get a little nervous when you actually talk to clients. Maybe you're really good at designing sites, but you get a little bit nervous like with people pleasing, and you're just like feeling like you're getting run over with scope of work. Any of those things, this community is for you. I've gone and I've built over 150 websites, worked with over 1,000 plus clients on different types of projects. And so we're taking all the learnings that we have as a team and summarizing it and building it into a place where we could answer your questions directly in a community that will really help you grow. This is what I know. Community is the best way to grow. You don't find your purpose alone in some silo. You find your purpose not just by what you do, but by who you do it with. And so community is that way for you to take the next level and challenge yourself and grow. Community is best defined. You could like call it accountability or like connecting with an expert, but community is best defined by being around people who are just a few steps ahead of you. Like, you want to grow in a certain direction. It's not by reading all the articles on the internet or by watching all the YouTube videos, which, yes, you can watch all my YouTube videos and you'll learn a ton. But the real value of growth comes in community that challenges you and that the people are a few steps ahead of you and they could help you grow and take those next steps and go to that new level. There's so many ways, so many values of this community. We're going to review your websites. We're going to have a place where you could see how I land $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 projects, how I talk to clients, when projects went awry, it didn't work out, how I went about that with clients. We're also going to answer any of your questions that come up. Hey, I want to quote this project, but I don't know how. If you're trying to figure out, should you customize something on Squarespace or not? Like, all of those details of how you stand out as a designer, how you find your footing, how you raise your price, all of that. And this is what I know, and I'm going to keep this video brief because, again, I have a full sales page that you could check out at the link below that's really going to help you. Everyone I've worked with, their income has gone up. As simple as that. Your rate will double by joining this community. It's known. Like, literally, it's known. You'll get a refund if in the first 30 days you're just like, this is not for me. You could get a refund. Go check it out, join the community, and this is the key. The pricing will never be this cheap again. I don't even give people my time for this rate. I charge 3 times as much for the current pricing. So the founder pricing is something you want to get in on. And if you're watching this video after the first few weeks of the community launch, the pricing will be higher. I just know that. I know it. What we're offering right now is the lowest it will ever be. And if you want direct access to me, the price is ridiculously low. Literally, it's cheaper than booking a consultation with me for 30 minutes. You get full access to me throughout the month for a cheaper rate. The reason is I want to help more people grow. I want to help more of the next generation, if you want to call it that, the next group of designers take on and take Squarespace to new heights. Fluid Engine and all of the customization that you could get on the internet around Squarespace is mind-blowing, and it will surpass what we think of it today. Squarespace is only a child in my eyes, and where it can go is literally insurmountable. It's hard to define where this platform will go. And I personally think other platforms are betting on some of the wrong things, where Squarespace is really optimized for the user experience. So with that said, definitely check out the community link below. Check out the founder pricing. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you want to move on it now. And if you have any questions, yeah, you could drop them in the comments below, but go to the sales page. There's a ton of information there. We have 4 separate packages that you could join in. Designer Growth, which is a starter package, Designer Pro. Then we have this Designer Pro plus all access, where you get access to all our digital products literally immediately, plus access to the community for 12 months. And number 4, our Designer Pro coaching package, where you get one-to-one access with me and my team. So if you have an immediate question with a client, hey, this just happened, how do I deal with it? We'll be able to get back to you. All right, all those details are down below. Appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.